Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome. To all of my returning subbies, you don't know what your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your bell notification on so you will be in the know when your girl upload new content. So in today's video, guys, I will be unboxing as well as the hubby will be assembling a set that I got from a company called Jovi. They sent me over this 8-piece wicker set. Guys, when I tell you it is matching. So here's I'll be assembling, as well as I'm trying to have you guys look at all the various pieces that they carry on their website as well. You will also see some information about this set, but let your girl just go ahead and tell you a little bit about it, right? It is an 8-piece wicker set, 3-inch cushion. That's what it comes with. It has 8 individual pieces. It also comes with a storage box that is one of the pieces as well. It also has the coffee table and it has the tempered glass on it. So this is what we will be assembling and put on the back patio, right? So guys, I have my 10% discount code as well for you guys to go over and enjoy shopping site-wide. They will give you a discount on all the items that they have on their site. So this is what the set is pretty much looking like on my back patio. Guys, when I tell you this thing looks so good, it is matching. It is looking so good with the grass. The paint collaborates so well. My overhead covering and everything just blend together so well. I am super happy that this is the color that I got for this beautiful space. So this is what it looks like. So guys, we're gonna style now, right? And I'm also gonna be showing you the pieces that I got, like the backrest, that piece that you put on the back of the sofa, as well as the ones that you sit on. As I said before, they are 3 inches. So yes, I love the color. The color is brown. Really love it. It ties in so well with everything that I have going on around there. And then it just in sync in that green grass that I have. Super happy that this is the color that I got, because when I tell you coordination turn up, I wasn't really feeling as well as I normally would when doing videos like these. It was really hot outside, and guys, when I tell you I went through some stuff putting this area together. I went against my doctor's order and got it done. Your girl got it done, because I knew that I had to get this video out before summer is out, or before the fall videos start coming out, because I'm also going to be doing another style back here for the fall season. So here I am just showing you how I put 2 pieces together on one side. I put 3 pieces together on another side, and then I have the single seat that is by itself. I'm going to be decorating the area, styling the area for you guys to see. Here is this coffee table I was telling you guys about earlier with the tempered glass. So I'm going to take all the plastic off that, and then I'm gonna style it as well. So keep enjoying, guys. As I said before, go over and check out Jovi. I will be leaving their link in the description box, as well as my discount code as well, for you guys to take advantage of that store-wide percentage that I have to offer you guys. So just keep enjoying as I decorate this beautiful space. Here is the storage box that I was telling you guys about. When I tell you it's been raining cats and dogs in Georgia, and this box has come in so handy. I place like my pillows. I just recently purchased some pillows from Home Goods. I placed those in it. The pillows that came with the set as well, I placed those in it, just to keep them protected from the rain. So that's pretty much what I did. The covers, I did spray everything, like the cover for the seat and stuff like that. I sprayed those with, I got a spray from the Home Depot, so I use that to spray, like to protect them, so that when the water goes on them or anything like that, it doesn't, even though it comes with zipper and all of that, that I can take them off and wash them. Sometimes, you know, a girl can get lazy sometimes and you don't want to do any of that good stuff. So yes, this is a tempered glass that I was telling you about that I'm going to be placing on the table, and then I'm going to be start decorating. So sit back, relax, enjoy, get a glass of wine or water or whatever you drink, and just enjoy your girl doing her thing.
Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go? Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why let me go, go, go?
So I'm going to be using my spray weight to clean the glass that come with the table, just to make back here really look nice. Also, here I am showing you the pillows, and I keep like my electrical cords and stuff in it. All the pillows that I'm going to be using in the space, they're already inside there. Here I am showing you the pillows that I got with this beautiful 8-piece set. I also got a set from Amazon that I will be bringing into the space, and then I got another set with like 2 pieces. So I got 2 sets from Amazon. So the ones with the writing, those are the set of 2. And then the other ones with like those black dots in them, those ones, it was a set of 4. Those are 18 by 18. I did have some pillow insert in my basement that I used to fill those. So I'm showing you how to close this storage box. When I tell you guys, this is a game changer. I'm going to be designing that piece as well for you guys to see. So I am just putting together everything that I'm going to be using in the space to do this beautiful 8-piece set. I'm going to be styling this beautiful set and let you guys see. So please keep enjoying.
If I'm more than what you bargained for, one dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, 'cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone. Grateful I can't try to make you if you ain't you ain't really ready for real. No, you.
So on my deck storage box, I'm going to be placing this greenery that I've had back here for about 3 years. On this beautiful table, I'm going to be placing this greenery that I recently picked up from Ross. And then these 3 glow lights that I have, I picked these up from Ross about 2-3 years ago. So I'm just getting the opportunity to use them back here. I didn't do any design on this area last year, so I'm just using the opportunity to use these because I think I got them right around the time that the previous summer before last summer. So I think that's when I got them. So I just decided to go to my basement, fetch these and use them back here. There are 3 different sizes. You have a small, medium, and a large. They also use the AA batteries. So yes, it is so beautiful, guys. Like when I turn the lights on, it is super, super gorgeous. So that's what I'm going to be placing right there. As well as I'm going to be bringing in some natural elements as well. So I picked this bowl up from, I think Burlington I got it from. I'm just going to be placing a candle in there as well as some gold chargers that I picked up from Ross as well some time ago, as well as my lighter. So those are what I will be placing in that beautiful bowl that I am bringing into the space as well. And that rounds out what I will be having on this beautiful table.
Eyes that strain, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain.
So over on this area, guys, I have this console table. It's in the color gold. I picked this up from Ross some time ago. So I'm bringing this into the area. I am cleaning it down. I'm using my Clorox wipe. I'm also going to be using my sprayway over there as well. I'm going to be cleaning down my windows as well as making sure that the area is clean. So I have 2 wicker baskets that I already placed under that table, as well as 2 blue lanterns. They're blue and gold. I picked those up at Home Goods years ago. So yes, I am using those under there. I'm going to be using the lights every now and again that I will be having in those. So yes, placing those there and they'll be in use. So what I'm going to be styling the top of my table with, I have this beautiful tray that I picked up from Ross. I also have this beautiful bowl that I picked up from Ross as well. I put some knickknacks that I have that I'm going to be eating outside. I have these purple flowers that I'm throwing into the area. These are some picks that I got from a set that I have that broke. So I put them in this beautiful ginger jar that I got from Ross. And that pretty much rounds out the area. But before I go, guys, I am going to just show you how beautifully the space turned out. I'm going to be showing you the daytime view, like when I just got done, and then I'm going to be showing you a more cozier view as well with the nighttime view. This space is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget, guys, before you leave, to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to put your bell notification on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. And before you leave, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. It does help with YouTube pushing this video on my channel. As I've always said, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Always remember to take care of each other, be good to each other, call and check upon somebody, make sure everybody all right, and I'll see you in the next one. Just continue enjoying the video, guys, and take care until next time. Bye, guys.
You bring me comfort like nobody can. I hear you whisper, life has only just begun. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you. When I feel broken from every little wound, you remind me, oh, that we are not consumed. There will be moments when I'm drifting away into the darkness, but you will lead the way. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, 'cause I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. You say take me on a treasure hunt.